Okay, I have to talk about our ultimate scavenger hunt kit because this one got me by surprise. We launched it over the summer, and honestly, every single market we went to, it's gone, sold out. So to everyone who kept asking me for more, I'm so sorry. I really didn't plan for it to run out that fast. But don't worry, we have restocked, kind of, and well, we're almost out again. Only 4 kits left right now, I know, but yes, we're gonna restock again. Now, let me tell you why everyone loves it. The kit comes with 50 scavenger hunts for everywhere and everything. Indoor, outdoor, alphabet, seasonal hunts for Halloween, Christmas, the beach day, grocery store, or even simple walks around the block in your neighborhood. And it's not just the scavenger hunts that we have. We have binoculars, magnifying glass, notebooks, stickers, a pouch to hold it all. Basically everything your little explorer needs. It helps kids build vocabulary, develop strategic thinking, boost memory, and most importantly, a load of fun. So if you missed out the first time, grab yours now before the last few disappears again. Because trust me, this kit doesn't stay on the shelf for very long. Bye.